Hey everybody. So other things to harvest today. You can see that these garlics are starting to turn brown, and that means they're pretty much ready to be picked. So let me take a look here and see what is happening with these. Let me pull one up. There we go. So not a bad little garlic head. You know, we're in a warm climate, so it's a little bit challenging to, I think, grow garlic here in Texas, but let's pull another one up. Yeah, sometimes it's small, sometimes it's big. I don't know whether we should keep these in the ground a little bit more. I don't think they're really going to get much bigger. That's a nice garlic head there. That's not too bad. Let me pull this one. I think this one's a bigger head. Oh yeah, see, now this is a garlic head, right? That's the size you want. So the question is, you know, same bed, one's big and one's little like that. How come? I don't know. Did they all got the same water and nutrition, pretty much. Let's pull this. That's a medium-sized one. That's not bad. Like I say, I mean, they're not gonna get too much bigger than this, I don't think. Here, I'm gonna shake off the dirt. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. We got some really good dirt here, so, you know, they've got good water all throughout the winter, right? Because they overwinter. Pull this one up. Yeah, that's not too bad. Nice rich dirt we got here. There we go. I guess we'll keep pulling them now. Let's see what we get. There we go. Nice. Nice. There we go. Oh, that's not too bad. I grew them last year in containers, and they were all definitely smaller than this. So this is a good harvest compared to what we had. So if we can keep building on each year's success, we'll be okay, right? Yeah. Now I wonder if these were a little bit deeper in the ground. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but that's a nice sized garlic, right? You could tell, I mean, they're fairly thick there, right? So when you pull it out, you'd expect a garlic head to go with it. So there you go. This should be really good. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Now, is there something to be said that the ones closer to the border got bigger? Is that because they had more heat? Could that be an issue? One had more heat or something like that? But holy smokes, folks, look at that. That's the best garlic head ever. And I think this one's going to be similar. Come on. Oh, 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 geez, I might need two hands here. Let me put the phone down. There. So those are the two biggest ones that I pulled out of the ground. So look at that. That's not too bad, folks. That's some pretty good garlic there. Now some of these others on this bed will be, I think, a mixture of big and little, but I'll take this. Now we just have to let it dry out and cure. And here we'll put the dirt back in order. Boy, you can smell the garlic as soon as you pull them out. And now this gives us a little bit more room for the goji berries, which are doing fine, and the tomatoes and the peppers, which are doing fine. All right, let me go ahead and start pulling these out and see. Oh, I'll need two hands again. I'll put the phone down and we'll show you at the end, after I pull all these out, what kind of harvest this side has. All right, folks, so here is all the garlic that we pulled from these two areas, and you can see that, like this one, you know, that's a great size garlic. So I've had some normal size garlics that you'd expect, and some on the smaller end, kind of everything in between. So did garlic grow well this year? Yeah, it seemed to have grown pretty well. I've gotten usable garlic bulbs. I'd like to have all of them that big, but you know, that's the nature there. Some of them grow bigger, some of them grow smaller. They're right next to each other, so who knows how they took in the nutrients. But one of the things I did do is, before I planted them, I put them in the refrigerator to give them a bit of a chill factor. Maybe that helped a little bit. I think it also helped that I had good dirt here, good raised beds, the mulch on the top to keep it moist, the irrigation system. So that probably contributed to a more successful harvest here. So now I'm going to take all of these and cure them, dry them out in the garage. So there we go, folks. There is my first garlic harvest, and successful at that. So blackberries harvested this morning, and now the garlic. The next thing is, are the potatoes done? So we will check that here very shortly. Talk to you later.